Hey there, Miss Amy. This is Aaron Maurer. Doing that makeup that I'm not sure if you're going to accept or not. We discussed last week. But anyway, yeah, I mistakenly, for whatever reason, anyway, I did a review on Chapter 2. Anyway, you probably recall. Anyway, just reviewing the Amstel Light Beer commercial that we had done in class, but I guess, for the video journal purposes. And anyway, one striking thing that I noticed about the video
if
as
life
it
were
plays
perfect, magazines would never smell like perfume. Dogs would walk themselves, and algebra would actually come in.
is that there's actually like this gentle piano that's playing in the background that rubs me really the wrong way. I think, as we talked about, the direction of the commercial isn't entirely clear, like with regard to who the audience is targeting. So why do you have some smooth jazz, Thelonious Monk sounding like kind of piano play going on in the background while you're talking about, while you got this jive talking voice talking about Weight Watchers talking points of 95 calories, so that's a little confusing. And let's see what else. What did I expect to see written in the script? Well, probably the production notes, like you were saying, it's going to have a little bit more to do. It's going to have a little bit more information about the tone, and like we said in class, we definitely suspect that this probably didn't have it. Like, what is it going to say? Like, sits in piano bar talking enthusiastically about the merits of light beer to women, smoking cigar. I don't know. It doesn't seem like it said that, so we can assume that it probably didn't say a lot. So I assume this probably was a key feature of the script. And what else? Just a swim. Yeah. Would you have produced the spot the way the talent did on the recorded version? Probably not. Probably not. What I have needed to see. Well, I would have needed to ask a few more questions about what exactly they needed to me in the conveying of that whole message. Sound effects. It sounded like piano. There might have been dining in the background. What inflection direction would be needed?
Well, look on the bright side. At least there's Amstel Light. It has only 95 calories, but you still get real imported taste. You don't give up a thing. Who says nothing's perfect? Amstel Light.
Well, Amstel is from the Netherlands. That's a Dutch beer. So I imagine something maybe in the way of sound effects could have been provided for, given the fact that it says specifically, I assume for some reason, it says specifically imported. Like we said, it's a confusing commercial, so maybe they just threw that shit in there for good measure, maybe, perhaps. But, yeah, so I mean, that might have been a good idea. Anyway, I'm going on 4 minutes, 10 seconds now, so I'll stop. And, yeah, that's this one.